Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Traveling with VidyaSundar. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the state of Bluewater Island in Dubai after war started. Bluewater Island is a man-made island located off the coast of Jumeirah Beach residence. It's renowned for Ain Dubai, world's largest observation wheel alongside luxury residential, retail and entertainment buildings including Caesar Palace. From Dubai Marina, you can go in a taxi to Bluewater Island, but it's much more fun walking on the 265-meter pedestrian bridge, which connects the island to JBR or Jumeirah Beach residence. The whole experience of visiting Bluewater Island and going and jumping into one of the pods in Ain Dubai and watch Dubai, Arabian Sea, the address standing high above the other buildings, and watching Palm Jumeirah from the highest point of Ain Dubai, all of that should be exhilarating and leave unforgettable, wonderful memories. But that's not the situation now once war started. Now the place is sad, eerie, and looks like Ghost Island. Posh shops are open with no buyers. Even the kids' train is empty. The path to Ain Dubai should be full of crowds going crazy to get tickets and jump into the pods. But now the wheel is decommissioned. So we were just hanging on to the huge pillars that support the wheel. It's almost like saying to the wheel and comforting, There, don't worry. You will be moving again soon and go round and round carrying thousands of overexcited crowds, carrying them to heights they've never been before and letting them have the spectacular views and marvel at Palm Jumeirah from that height. I watched the wheel being built and waited patiently for the pods to be added because it took a while before the pods were assembled. Think of the expense, engineering skills, the effort put in by thousands of people to make this happen, to make the wheel go round and round, carrying crowds from all over the globe. And all that came to a halt, thanks to megalomaniac leaders, religious conflicts, unreasonable deep-seated animosity. Because of this, ordinary people like you and me, who just want peaceful existence, suffer. In recent years, Dubai was considered safe, and yes, it was safe until now. Dubai is clean, people have discipline, and I'm happy to be in Dubai. For me, it is therapeutic to be in Dubai. Not anymore. Looks like the therapist is fired, literally. This is one time I'm craving for people around me. Usually, crowds bother me, they irritate me no end. International tourists who are loud and disruptive bother me. But not this time. I wanted crowds and chaos. I wanted the place to be normal, busy, with crowds milling around. But they all ran away. Some are stuck in the airport. Some, out of fear, are hiding in the basements and car parks. But we were out and about, walking on the edge of the island and marveling at the jewel-studded JBR in night lights. This restaurant's love pods were empty except for one couple who were brave and they were cutting a cake. Yes, of course, life has to go on. People planned for some years to come here. Evil eyes fell on Dubai and all this glitter and glamour may never be the same again. We decided to walk on the bridge and enjoy the scenery as it was quite peaceful. And we also thought maybe once we leave Dubai, we may not be able to come back in a hurry. So might as well enjoy the scene. Evening lights came on. Address in all its glory was looking majestic as if nothing happened. And 5242 was bright as ever. Watching sunset from the bridge is great. All of a sudden things went wrong. The siren went off. Panic-stricken, we went into address. I was gasping, I couldn't even run. Not many people were there in the lobby, and some carried on eating as if nothing happened. Getting a taxi from Marina address was difficult because GPS stopped working. Apparently it happens when the drone attacks start. We waited, and after some time, we got another message saying all is well. So we got into a taxi and went home. This is what I don't understand. We are told to get into shelter. But what if the shelter is struck? And then what? They're not even showing in the TV as to what we're supposed to do. It's like suddenly you're thrown into a disaster movie or a nightmare and you can't wake up. What a messed up world we're in. With all the modern technology, we made ourselves so vulnerable. I can't even cry because I'm still in shock. I can't even imagine what people are going through, those people who are actually struck down. I hope this whole thing ends soon. If you believe in God, please pray. Thank you for watching this video. Let's hope this nightmare ends and we start living again. Bye for now. If you're in the war zone, please take care.